Today I am here with another video which is related to FBA Wholesale, which is basically on the topic the steps that we follow in FBA Wholesale. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, so the first and the most important step is company formation. For example, if I would like to start selling in UK, so मुझे उस specific marketplace के अंदर अपनी company register करवानी पड़ेगी. For that, I require a phone number, whether it could be of Skype or text now, then a specific address of that marketplace, then a bank account, whether it could be of USA or UK. For USA, it's Mercury, and for UK, it's TransferWise. Then a business email, e-commerce website, a seller permit, an EIN number, and a resale certificate are the three things that are only required in USA but not in UK. Then step number 2 is to create an Amazon Seller Central account. So first of all, we create an individual account, and after that we upgrade it on our company details for a professional account. And the fee that Amazon charges is $40 per month for it. Step number 3 is brand hunting. So we hunt brands by using a tool that is known as Keepa. One thing we have to take care is our target on Keepa should be about 100 to 150 brands, because when we pursue for brand approval, तो कुछ brands हमें approval देते हैं और कुछ brands हमें approval नहीं देते हैं. So we have to make up our target for about 100 to 150 brands जो हमें search करने हैं. Next step is brand approval. हमने brand hunting करके brands find out कर लिए and उनके distributors find out कर लिए, then हमें उनसे approval लेना होता है. For brand hunting, we basically need an e-commerce website उसी domain की जिसकी आपकी company है, then a business email and a Skype number so that you can convince and contact the brands. Next step is that you have to make a shipment plan, and after that, before your product arises on Amazon's warehouse, you have to meet to its listing. As your product lands on Amazon's warehouse, you just have to basically input the number of units that you have sent to Amazon warehouse, and it takes about 1 to 2 weeks for Amazon to live your listing then. And after that, you can enjoy your orders. So that's all for today's video. I hope that you guys found it informative, and until next video, take care of yourself.